Hello, I welcome you once again to Jorut Academy Graphic Design Training using the smartphone. And in this lesson, we are going to learn how to select our paper size or the image size or the project size. Then we will learn how to apply colors to our background. So that will be the focus of today's lesson. So now let's launch our Pixel app. Now if you launch it, this is the interface you are going to encounter as we saw in our last video. So we are going to learn how to create a project from the scratch. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to this section here where you can see the backgrounds here. So just scroll down to the last background. You are going to see a blank background. That you are not going to see any background color or any other thing. So just click on it to select it. So if you select it, then you go to the three dots just beside this one, because you don't want to use this size. Maybe you have your own size that you want to input. So you go to this section and click on this section here, and then select image size. So you click on image size, and when you click on image size, this is the interface you are going to see. So you click on the custom, and we have so many presets size that you can select from. So you can scroll down to your preference and you select. But we want to input our own value. So you click on the custom, then you input the value. You're going to use A4. So A4, the size of A4 in pixels is, the width is 2480 for the width, and the height is 3508. That's the size in pixels for A4 paper size. So just click on OK, then you can see your paper size here. So this is how we select a paper or a background for our project. Now the next thing we are going to do is how to add background color. So to add background color, you come to this section here. See, there are some tabs here that you can toggle with. So this is what you are going to do. You click on the last icon that you can see some double square below your screen here. Just click on that particular icon, then you see color. You see color here, so you just click on the color. Now when this color option appears, maybe in a case you will be allowed to enable it, so you just enable it, then you start to use. If yours appears like then, that's good for you. So we have two options of applying. When we want to apply background color, you have two options. Either use the gradient or the normal color or the solid color. So the solid color will be selected by default. So you just click on this, make sure it is selected. You come this, these are the colors that you have. So you want to see what color, just click on the plus icon here. It will give you the palette or the plates where you can see various colors. You can select from various colors that you want. Equally, if you want a particular color you want to pick, you have the color picker tool here. So this is the color picker tool here. You can click on this one. It will send it to your screen so that you can pick any color from your screen, from your working area. So let's say there is the color. Let's say you want to select white. So you click on any area there, it will give you the color that you want to use. But we don't want to use that one. We want to use a different color apart from white. So you can also click on this particular icon here, which will give you the option to input your figure. So we have different color mode. We have the hex color mode. We have the RGB color mode. So you can select any of them that you want. But we don't want to go there. We just want to be cool with this. So you just select any of the colors here. Then you click on OK. So with this, you can just adjust it to the tint or the shade section of that particular color you have selected. You just click on OK. Then your color, your background color will be equally, you can also use gradients. That is 2 or more colors at the same time. So let's try that one. So you click on the gradient tool, then you click on this plus sign here. It will send you to your gradient selection dialog page. So from here, you have the 2 colors here. So now you want to select the color. So you just click on where you want to. So you want this one to change this color here. So you click on it to select it. Then you go to the bucket, paint bucket tool here. See this particular icon here. Just click on it. It will send you to your color selection page again. Then select the color that you want to use. You click on OK. And you can see that the color has now changed. So you can also change this section to. You can also change this section to and give it a different color. So let's do that, and let's use this particular yellow color. So you can change the shade and the tint so that you have a light or a tinted yellow color. So you can see the combination of these 2 colors here. So after that, you can see there's a line cutting across here. This line will help you to apportion the ratio of how much a color is to appear than the other. So you can use you can drag the pointers to any section that you want based on how you want your color combination or color arrangement to be. So if you're okay with what you're seeing, you just click on OK. Then it will be applied to your background. Okay, so that's what we have for now. So you just click on the mark sign here, then it will take effect. So that's what we are going